This is a new product for us. It's technically an 8 mil. The manufacturer, we make this and they say it's 9, but I'll call it an 8. It's 100% reinforced. It's really white and black on one side. The key to this is it can be used as a ground liner, and we'll look at that. The ground liner is 12.5 foot wide and 100 feet long. But we pre-cut these for the contractor or any installer that's doing this job. We cut them 2 feet, 3 feet, 4 feet, and 6 feet. And what that does is that just cuts down the labor time of rolling these products out in places that probably aren't clean. They may be wet. This product picks up static electricity, plastics do. So if you're picking up dirt or plastic or grass, or sand or grass or whatever, your adhesion's not going to be nearly as good as it is if you've got a fresh roll cut to the size of the Crawlspace. You also don't get the waste. I've seen guys have 25% waste in wall liner because they just went out on the floor 2 feet because that's the size of the product. So what I'm going to do is take a piece of this. Typically this would be, I'm certain we have people that are still nailing and shooting this because a lot of people use it. The best way to do it and the fastest way to do it is to use our magic adhesive. You've probably seen that. Put that on the wall attachment tape. Just put it on the surface that you're going to be, the substrate you're attaching to. And if you have any questions, go to the wall attachment tape section. And then you pull the release paper off. And then you can take a piece of this liner, or you could use a 20 mil or whatever liner you want. Ooh. Make sure you put it where you want it, because once you put it there, you're stuck with it. So it's probably the best way to seal, particularly the substrates that are typically not good for nailing and screwing. It saves time, it's totally sealed. It's something I think you ought to consider. If you're still nailing it, just the fact that it's pre-rolled will save you a lot of time. So give us a call if you have any questions.